Hi guys, Bill Murphy, Surefire Institute. Surefire Institute's had a long track record of working with Surefire, developing flashlights, suppressors, magazines, different products to help make them some of the best in the world. The Institute has focused on training, and what happens, we've gone around the world conducting training for law enforcement, military, and the armed civilian. What I want to talk to you today about is some of our new products. And what happened, the Surefire Institute has been lucky enough to develop a chest plate that stops rifle bullets, and it stops them all the way up to .338 Lapua. Now, we've developed an enhanced lower receiver for the AR-15 made out of composite. And what happens, the AR-15, we've reduced the weight of the AR by 1 full pound. Now, the composites that we use are new. They haven't been used in any other firearm, and so it makes it significantly stronger. One of the key components to this is that we've redesigned the internal mechanism and the firing parts of this AR-15. In conjunction with E3, we've gone ahead and made the internals polymer, and that we've made them so that the safety goes on and off without a click. Doesn't alert anybody that you're taking the safety on or off. Then what happens is when the hammer is in the forward fired position, on standard AR-15s, you can't re-engage the safety device. But on this AR-15 right here, with the hammer forward, I can still easily put the safety back on. Now, when people store firearms for a long-term purpose, they have a tendency to take the safety off on this weapon system. When they store them in their vehicles, a lot of times they leave the safety off so the hammer can be forward. And so now this is designed to where the safety is on 100% of the time, except when you choose to take it off the fire. So during the loading and unloading, during the clearing of malfunctions, if we have a catastrophic failure of this, I can still go ahead and put the safety on while the weapon is malfunctioned and the hammer is not in the lockback position. In redesigning the Surefire Institute hammer and trigger assembly, we've taken out the need for a match trigger. This has got a trigger that was designed to be an effective, accurate trigger for long distance shooting, and it's assembled right into the weapon system. Now, any of our components can be replaced with steel at any time and put in and used as a new fire control. But what happened is, by redesigning this, by making it quieter, making it safer, and having less trigger take up than a traditional military trigger, it's a more effective weapon system. With the composites expanding and contracting significantly more than aluminum will do, when we go ahead and we mate an upper to the lower, we push it in, it form fits and locks into place so that there's no play between the lower receiver and the upper receiver, which aids and increases in accuracy. People have tried to make different tools to place in there so that you won't get the wobble between the upper and the lower. This naturally eliminates that effect. Some people worry about interchangeability. This will take any standard AR-15 accessory. It'll take metal replacement parts if you wanted to change your fire control group, and it also takes any upper receiver. What happened, we designed this to be able to handle any upper that can be put onto a standard AR-15 will go onto this. Any accessory that will go onto a standard AR goes onto this. Now, the other thing we've done is we've perfected the magazine well so that any magazine works in this anytime. There's been controversy over firearms that won't accept 60-round mags, won't accept drums, won't accept some of the aluminum and some of the plastic magazines. This was designed to take every single magazine that's out there that is commonly in use. These lowers are available as of SHOT Show 2017. So come by the Surefire booth, check out the Institute, and check out our lower receiver. It's a Surefire Institute product. It's going to work for you.